Mueller French press 20% heavier duty double insulated 310 stainless steel coffee maker 4-level filtration system 100% no coffee grounds guarantee, rust-free, dishwasher safe. If you really care about your coffee, we tested enough mechanisms and filters to make your head spin to tweak and uniquely design our press with a triple-layered filter structure to stop the sediment but let the yummy coffee oils through for a full-bodied delicious brew that will make you a very happy camper. And to share the Java love, we give you a bonus matching travel canister that holds enough beans or grounds for 2 full batches. 33% thicker, 20% heavier, built to last, our huge capacity professional grade 310 and 18/10 double-layered stainless steel baby will keep your coffee hot for 60 minutes longer than thinner steel and glass models. And it's drop-proof, rust-proof, and probably bulletproof, be nice. Multiple uses. Besides using the French press as a coffee maker, it is also the best appliance to make tea, MCT oil coffee, hot chocolate, cold brew, frothed milk, almond milk, cashew milk, fruit infusions, and plant and herbal drinks as it seals in their flavors and aromas. A gift people will actually use, perfect for housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, holidays and all coffee tea lovers, tea enthusiasts and healthy foodies. 2 bonus stainless steel screens and the matching travel container are included with every purchase while quantities last. European engineered, American guarantee, our total satisfaction promise covers all our products, partly why our products receive 1,000s of positive reviews. So choose Mueller with confidence and look forward to a lifetime of Java pleasure. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.